Welcome to our channel, where we guide you through fixing withdrawal problems with Alaska USA Federal Credit Union. Welcome to our channel, where we guide you through fixing withdrawal problems with Alaska USA Federal Credit Union. Facing withdrawal issues can be frustrating, but with our clear step-by-step method, you will resolve these problems efficiently. Step 1 is to verify your account balance and recent transactions either through the Alaska USA mobile app or online banking platform. Sometimes the problem arises due to insufficient funds or holds on recent deposits. Step 2 is to check for alerts or messages from Alaska USA regarding system outages or maintenance that might affect withdrawals. You can find this information on their website or social media pages. Step 3 involves contacting Alaska USA customer service directly. Have your account number and personal identification ready and explain the withdrawal problem clearly. They can often resolve issues related to account restrictions or technical difficulties. Step 4 is to review your withdrawal method. If you're using an ATM, ensure the ATM is within Alaska USA's network or affiliated partners to avoid additional restrictions. If the withdrawal is online or via transfer, confirm that your linked accounts and transfer limits are set correctly. Step 5 is to update your contact information and confirm your identity if requested. Sometimes withdrawals are blocked due to outdated verification information. Step 6 involves visiting a branch in person if phone or online support cannot resolve the problem. Staff on-site can assist with more complex account issues or document verification. Lastly, keep a record of all your communications and attempts to resolve the withdrawal problem for future reference. Patience and persistence are key when working with any financial institution. By following these steps, you will be empowered to quickly troubleshoot and fix Alaska USA Federal Credit Union withdrawal issues. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides.